We're going to try to replace this turn signal now on the right side. Now, looking at the manual here, it shows that we actually need to take off the gas tank, which is kind of a pain, but on motorcycles it's not usually too difficult. In fact, there is a write-up on how to replace the light and also how to remove the gas tank. So we're going to remove the gas tank and try to throw this on. Alright, I am disconnecting the fuel level sensor here. It's easy, you just pull down on this tab and pull backwards. Okay, we're going to take off this front cover here. Okay, this just is like an interior kind of fastener. It's a plastic peg that pushes into a rubber grommet, so you just pull outwards towards the front of the bike. You do all this by hand, and then the last one, I guess, they pull up. So you can see sitting like this, the pegs here go this way on the side, on the bottom, and then the top ones go straight down. So pull that out and then up. Probably a better idea to just use a ratchet in the socket here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and remove these star-headed pattern bolts here. But it should be a T40, I believe, judging by the looks of it. And there's one on each side. Okay, yep, T40 it is. Okay, I believe we're going to remove this connection here. We're going to undo the sides. They pull apart like this, they spread apart just like your mom's legs, and we're going to slide that down here, and then we'll unbolt this, and then we should be able to kind of pop this connector out here. Instead of doing that, I think I'm going to cut the zip tie here, and we'll just gain access to the connector that I can unplug and then plug the new one in. We have new wiring for it anyways, so yeah, it's going to need to be disconnected from this anyways, I believe. So let me cut this. So this is the right turn signal, so this is the one that we actually need to do. So let's go ahead and disconnect this. You just push down on this pin here and disconnect like that. Right after you've done that, you're going to want to locate the wire here for the turn signal. And we're going to pull this through here. Okay, with that disconnected there, we can now see that our whole wire is now out. Okay, so we're going to start up here in front of the fork, pull that wire through, and then we are going to go down through here, just like the wire we pulled through. I'm going to push it behind this part of the frame here. And then we'll take our connectors here. And then we will just connect those like this. And then we need to secure all of this. And take our new zip tie and try to put it in that same spot. You can see it's very dusty under here, so I can see an outline of where that old one was. And then cut this flush. If you don't do that, I consider you as bad as Jeffrey Dahmer, or maybe even Hitler. And then we will take our other zip tie, and I can also see the location of where the old one was. So it's just like we didn't touch anything at all almost. This is a secret between you and I. Don't tell anyone. And I missed putting this line through the pre-existing zip tie here, so I'm going to cut that and we'll throw a new one on. And this line just slips right through that slot right here. And then we're going to need a bolt and nut to finish this. Go support your local hardware stores. It's awesome to drive a couple minutes away and have this very specific hardware available to you. So just check out whatever hardware store you have nearby instead of maybe, bigger store option.